So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin kabola yung pinakamainit pa ngayon na discussion dito po sa PBA. Of course, I'm talking about Coach Yang Yao versus Terence Romeo kabola. And then pag-uusapan natin some things about the PBA draft, a big name that is now rumored kabola to be joining the upcoming PBA draft. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito na nga, no? Si Coach Yang Yao kabola nagalit nung tumira po at naipasok nitong si Terence Romeo kabola ang kanya pong tres dun po sa patapos na po na laro nila sa Game 3 sa Dasmariñas, Cavite kabola. Of course, we have this so-called unwritten rule, di ba? Na kapag mathematically decided na po yung game kabola, papatapusin na lang po yung oras. That's basically the unwritten rule na pinaglalaban po ng mga traditional minds kabola in basketball. Pero of course, ang pinunto po ni Coach Yang Yao, although hindi niya actually dinirekta yun, no? Pinunto niya basic respect daw and that he expected more from a classy organization like San Miguel. Pero truth be told, no, I'm not really sure I can describe San Miguel as classy, to be honest, diba? Knowing what they have been doing in the past decade, kabola, diba? They are classy siguro if we are talking only about in the context of success, kabola. Pero overall, I will not use that term for them right now. Of course, I still respect them for their accomplishment. Pero overall, so which side are you, di ba? I have always been in the side, kabola, na it's 48 minutes. If they want to shoot it, it's all their right, di ba? Right yun ni Terence Romeo, kabola. And right din ng mga players ng Reno Shine to defend him, kabola. So for me, yes, I'm on the side na, yeah, I understand kung saan nanggaling si Coach Yang Yao, pero at the end of the day, it's their responsibility to defend. So, basic lang din naman po yun, kabola. Now, kabola, dito muna tayo sa comments before we go with the draft talks. Si Calvo and Mina na lang i-trade mo, Cordel, sabi po ni John David Culapa. Ruben Cabo, natutuwa ako. Lumalaban na yung Terra Firma. Pinapanood ko laro nila kasi alam ko lumalaban na sila. This is a good fan to follow, kabola, diba? I know a lot of people still hate Terra Firma. Pero ito po, kabola, ito PBA, ito yung mga klase ng fan. May mga fans pa rin na pwede pong mabago yung isipan. At madami sila, kabola. You just need to straighten these teams, kabola. These farm teams, kabola. And of course, Mr. Pa-shoutout, Sir Ronald Berbusadad, thank you. Then, may pahabol pa Sir Ruben A. Cabo. Huwag ka na mag-trade, coach. Dagdag ka na lang sa rookie draft. Maganda na yung lineup mo. Bata at malaki. May future na yung lineup mo. Go Walt, Gomez, Deliano, Carino. Maasa din yan pagdating ng ilang seasons. And I do agree, kabola. If they can stop trading again for another year, I think their next season will be even much better than this season, kabola. Speaking of Terra Firma, eto na, nilabas po ni John Cardell through an interview kung yung mga parang tinatarget niya. Sabi niya, siguro a 5, another point guard na malaki to back up Holt Inuami, and maybe another shooter. And actually, I totally agree, no? Especially with the reality that he first stated a 5, even though mayroon siyang Go at saka Carino. Ang kaganda nito, Terra Firma now understand, kabola, that the more Giants, the more center you have, the better. No matter kung gaano sila karami. It's always been the better. Hindi po yan parang guardia na kapag puro guardia na yung dinadraft mo, darating yung point na biglang negative na yun sa rooster mo. Pag big man yan o Giant, especially Giant, if you keep adding them up, it's always be a positive addition, kabola. So, this is actually a good thing to hear from John Cardell. Now, ito na, Kai Soto, kabola. So, si Kai Soto daw, kabola, is nalas-las na po yung kanya pong current po na contract with his Japan League team na Yokohama Corsairs, kabola. And he performed very well there, kabola. He performed very well. 20.8 points, 6.3, 4 rebounds, 1.1 blocks, kabola. Doon siya nakapagtala ng continuous and sustained double-digit scoring, kabola. So, pinapakita na that he can do it. He can perform international, kabola. Remember, still, in Japan B-League, he faced there mga imports, diba? Dalawang imports yan, mga nakakalaban niya. So, I mean, that's a good showing for him, kabola. Pero ang pinaka-interesting yung nag-comment to si Snowball. Sabi ba naman niya, kulay violet din naman jersey na next isusuot niyan. Wow! What's the meaning of this? Kabola, biglang napatayo yung mga fans ng Converge kasi sila lang yung may kulay violet sa PBA. Meron din mga napatayo na supporter po sa NBA. Baka Sacramento yan kasi nandun si Jimmy Alapag. Kabola, diba? So, overall, it can be hinting of a potential converge. They have the number 1 pick. If Kai Soto joins Kabola, then that means they can take him with the number 1 pick, Kabola. Unless, of course, gumawa ng move ang SMC, di ba? And of course, pwede rin naman talaga na maybe just hinting itong si Snow Kabola. Sacramento Kings kasi nga, Jimel Apag is slowly gaining power there. Overall, of course, to be honest, I want him to be there kung saan siya masaya. If he still wants to pursue 100% yung NBA dream niya, go for it, Kai. I am supporting you. Ikaw ba, Kabola? Saan dapat papunta si Kai? Comment lang po sa baba.